Hi everybody! Today we are going to be talking about writing a title for your Poshmark listing, a proper title. So my name is Karen.
I'm Jay.
We're with the Thrifty Flamingo. We talk a lot about reselling and Poshmark. So if you're interested in this content, we would really appreciate if you subscribe to our channel. If you're returning, welcome back.
And we've been talking a lot about this lately, but what we're doing right now is we're in the middle of producing a course on how to take Poshmark to the next level and earn a full-time living working part-time with Poshmark. So if you're interested in that, we have a link in our description. It's the first link below the description. And get on our email list, and we're going to be picking one winner each week from that list, and that winner is going to receive a free course. So get on that list. That's how you win.
I'm picking it this week.
And she's excited. She
Yay!
gets to pick the first winner, second winner.
So excited. So last night during the party, I came across 3 different closets that had unsearchable titles for every single listing. It was bad.
That's no good.
No, you need to make your title searchable, not just in Poshmark, but also for Google. And some of us struggle with this. Some of us have been getting better at it. So we're just going to talk briefly about, kind of like do's and don'ts. So with your Poshmark title, one thing that's a little bit different about Poshmark than with other reselling platforms is you do not need to include the gender in the Poshmark title. Do you ever put men's shirt? No. I never put women's jeans. I know like in eBay that's a thing. Some other websites that might be a thing. With Poshmark, their filters completely take care of that. If you're searching for women's jeans but you're in the men's search tab, nothing's coming up. Remember you were like looking for something and you're like, nothing's coming up. And I
was
had
actually
been
under the
searching
women's
for
tab,
it.
so.
Yeah, I had been searching for it on his account.
Yeah, when you make those listings and you fill out those preset sections, that's where the filters come into play. So you're gonna tag your item right away with those filters for whether it's men's, women's, jeans, shirts, whatever. It's tagged.
Doesn't
with
need
those,
to be in your
those
title.
items.
It does not need. It's a waste of characters actually, especially like woman. That's a big word that you're taking up characters. You don't need it in your title. You also want to avoid words like pretty,
Awesome,
beautiful,
sweet,
gorgeous,
and handsome. They just don't work.
Anything like that.
Yeah.
Anything that you feel about the clothing. I sell pretty dresses. I sell really beautiful items, and that's my own feelings on the matter. You want to leave those type of words to the buyer to decide, is this shirt awesome? Is this gorgeous?
When somebody types in a search bar, they're not going to search for an awesome polo shirt. They're going to be looking for a polo by Ralph Lauren or any type of brand. They're going to be looking for the brand and the size most likely. So those words don't help your search visibility at all.
Now, sometimes the brand and what it is not take up the full characters of the title. So you do need some kind of filler words, but they should be searchable words. So let's say polo, right?
Yeah.
Ralph Lauren polo, the color is important because somebody might actually search blue polo shirt. Maybe that's their favorite color or something they're trying to match with something or other.
Color's good. I try to get in a couple of colors if I can in my search in my titles and get as many colors as possible in that
Or
listing.
a pattern.
Or pattern, right?
If
Patterns.
it's like gingham or checkered.
Plaid, whatever.
Yeah, the pattern, those are searchable. People do search those things. They also search for cuts of things like A-line, the skirt, or dress.
Pleated.
Pants or skirts. Boot cut, men's and women's,
right? Button downs.
That could be both genders too. Kitten heels, wedge heels, high heels. You have to describe what kind of shoe it is, like a men's shoe.
Like an Oxford shoe, for instance, or sneakers, or just any kind of shoe description.
Or even a look that's searchable, like a peasant top or boho. Boho's really in. People will type boho shirt. I don't know why.
Right? Yeah, there's also funky shirts like rockabilly shirts. That's the style that people are searching for right now. So
there are filler words that aren't your own personal feelings on the matter. And you want to take up as much characters as possible. These closets I went to yesterday, it literally said jeans.
I've seen plenty of those in the listing before too. I've even seen listings that say stuff as a nice ass pair of jeans. Like, that was the title of the product that came across at a party.
Me that one.
A nice ass pair of jeans. No descriptive words.
We're making this one PG-13. Sorry, guys.
There was no style. There was no brand. It was just. It's weird. Like, why would you title your item that way? I don't understand.
I don't either. You know, granted, you do fill out the brand when you're going through it and you're making your listing. You check off the brand. So if someone were to search that brand, it sure might come up in that specific search. But no one's just gonna go into the search bar and type in nice ass pair of jeans or like skirt or pretty skirt and nice dress. And I hope what we're saying is coming across to you. Now, if you're kind of struggling and you're like, oh, I've done that in the past, or I have some listings like that, you know, definitely go edit them. Try to think what I do when I'm stuck and I'm sitting there and I have half a title and I have so many more characters to go. I look at the item and I think, if I were going to go buy this and I wanted to search it online, what would I type into Google? You know, like, what would I actually search for?
What you look for on Google is a great way to come up with your title. Is Google is key, and I mean, and these titles are all searchable on Google as well. So if you search something on Google, your Poshmark listing can come up. I've seen it happen before with Karen's listings in the past.
He's like, you're on Google. I'm like, I should hope so. He got so excited one day when like one of my listings popped up. I was like, I should hope so. Because I turned on Google visibility, which you should all do.
So it doesn't work just internally in the Poshmark app. It works all over the internet, and these keywords are popping up. So the more keywords you can fit in your title, the better off, the more visible your title is going to be, and the more people are going to see that title. And that
searchable keywords. And if you're still struggling, look at how other people title their things. People that have a pretty maxed out title. People that have very searchable words in their title, and just kind of like look at what they're doing, look at the item they're selling, and look at how they like mentioned it. And again, just stay away from gender. That's a character killer right there. So go take a look at your closet, make sure all your listings and your titles are up to speed. If you guys have any suggestions on how you make your Poshmark titles searchable, definitely help out the flock. Leave a comment below. Let people know like your secret tricks to it. If this video has helped, definitely give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to get on that email list. It's the first link in the description. We're going to be picking a winner for the course this Thursday. Karen's picking the winner. So get on that list. The sooner you're on that list, the better your chances are.
All right, guys. Have a good day.
Have a good one, everyone.